Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in the daily. Then we're going to go to the 4 hours. We analyze for you here in the 4 hours for swing trading. So in the daily, it's for long-term trading. In the 4 hours for swing trading. Then we're going to go to 30 minutes. We analyze for you if there is a scalping opportunity. Then we're going to analyze for you the economical data what came today, what it's saying, and etc. So let's start, guys. So as you see, guys, here, daily candle, what it done here. After that huge engulfing candle, it came today. It's showing here a rejection, but there is no volume, guys. All the people, they still waiting the economical data, what is going to tell us, because they waiting the ISM manufacturing of USA, what is going to say. And you for long-term trading, just they said forget about all those things, guys. And here we still have here that engulfing candle, that one, and I tell you, always if it's breaking here, we will enter long, or always if it's breaking here, the Bitcoin it will fall down more. So now us we still sideways here. There is no buying, no selling, guys. Picture is too clear. By the way, you, yes, you, my friend, are you not a subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, we every day putting for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that's going to be very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, turn it to white, next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go in to see the news or the comment. Now let's go in, guys, to see the economical data of today, what's happening. So let's go in there. Here it is, guys. As you see, what is it today? Here, all the economical data it came today. So that one is about inflation, guys. It's showing it started getting lower and lower. As you see it, it gets 0.2. That's something very good because that one, that PCI price index. Then we got here the initial jobless claims. So when people they losing the jobs of them. Before it used to be 241k and now it's getting more, 225. That's something not that good. Plus we are waiting here, that one here to come, guys. That one is the most important news today, guys, because what all that news showing you. The first one here, the inflation is showing to you the inflation is getting lower and lower. That one just indicator is telling you how it's going to come the inflation. The inflation is going to come lower than the previous one, guys. And here, the one about unemployment, they still people they losing more jobs of them, guys, in USA. That's something bad. But as you see the previous one, it used to be 241 and now it came to 25. That man, people they losing the jobs of them is getting lower. And that's something bad that maybe is going to take that Fed not to reduce the interest rate. So let's wait and what's going to happen, because that one, it might change everything, but we need to wait in the unemployment rate, how it's going to come, because that one is telling us that there is not a lot of people they losing the jobs of them in USA. And as I tell it to you before, the Fed want the unemployment rate to reach between 4 to 5%, guys. That's the goal of the Fed. Picture is too clear, guys. So now we need to wait in that one, the ISM, what is going to tell us, because that one is very, very important measurement. And here our table, guys, what it's telling us here, look at it. Everything it look great today. As you see, the only Dow Jones, which is down. The SP is it green today. The Nasdaq is it green, but not that much. It's only by 0.25, and even the Dow Jones is not that much. All of them is still waiting. Plus our friend here, the VIX, as you see it, it fell down, but not that much. It's still the same. It's need to fall down more, guys. But the good news here is the dollar index, guys. As you see it here, it fell down a lot today. As you see it, today is 104. It fell down by 1.01. Yesterday we used to be 105. Now it fell down to 104. That's something very good, guys. So let's wait in the news what is going to tell us, because the news is going to tell us what is coming, guys. Now it's going back to the chart to analyze for you more. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, if you remember, people they've been with us, we enter long, we enter from here, from that candle here, we enter long, till over here. I told you guys here, started thinking of to take some profit. Why? I show you everything, guys. And here, look with me here. If you see, if you came here to that level here, what you seeing? You seeing in it, you are in it here. So try to protect yourself. Try to protect yourself now, guys. You don't know if it's going to fall down from here or we're going to go more higher. You take some of the profit, move the stop loss up, and waiting what the market is going to do, because you need to be at this moment here at risk free. Don't have any risk anymore. If it go up, fair enough. If it fall down, fair enough. You don't lose nothing. Everything is too clear. And here, I show you yesterday that channel here. We got it here like that. Now you touch the top of it here. Now, normally it needs to fall down here to touch again here, but we don't know if it's going to fall down or it's going to break higher till it go to the 200 moving average, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, did you smash the like button? Please go ahead and do it. Smash the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please pause the video now, smashing that like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they say for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, also we are here at the overbought area, and now it's showing it's falling down from there. But the volume, there is not that big volume, because majority of traders, they still waiting what is that ISM manufacturing of USA. They need to see the economic of USA, what it's doing. And here, as you see, that one also we enter from here till here, and here it's breaking for us. Now the view, I think, is going to make a correction till here. Then also we're going to enter again, and it's going to go higher again. But the good news now, also we are in the place whereas the bulls, the controlling, guys. Also now we are in an uptrend. So now if you are a scalper or a day trader, you need just to looking for buying, guys, no selling. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture should be more clear to you. That one here, as you remember, guys, also we enter buy from here, because we used to be here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. We used to have here a price action. We enter from here exactly. Look where we are, and here our indicator is it here at the overbought area. So if you want to catch more, you can take it off some profit now, and you move the stop loss up. So if it move up, you still going with it, or you just closing the order and you finish because you are in profit, guys. Depending how you trading. If you trading with leverage and those things, now you are in a very, very decent profit. If you trading without leverage, you will not make that much of money. So take some of the profit and leave some. If it go up more higher, you take more. And here, guys, because why me I told you need to take some of the profit now, because me I think that one is going to come just till here, then after that maybe it's going to drop again, because for us thinking that one is the bottom here, it's need that one to go higher than that, and it's need to break for us that last peak here, the one in the top. So till now also we haven't even reached here to the last low here in those ones. That's why me I told you it might, because it's going to give you like that. It might is going to give us like that, guys, here. Then after that you're going to see another drop is going down, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. So it's going now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes also we enter long, because we used to be here in that place. Yes or no? People that been with us, they know that. Also we enter from here, and in that place here I told you protect yourself. Here I told you protect yourself. Here I told you protect yourself. But now it's showing here a big volatility, guys. Look at the volume here. But something very wondering, guys, here. Look at it, what you see in here. You see it or no? Look at the volume here down. It give you here a divergence even in the volume, guys. You see it? And here, what me I told you we got here that channel like that. I told you if it fall down and breaking down here, you enter short here in 30 minutes, guys. Remember that. If it fall down and break that channel lower here, you enter short. I've been telling you that 2 videos, guys. And our indicator, what it saying, let's see it. Our indicator, it's saying, guys, also we are here at the overbought area level. We are in a very stronger level, and the price action will show it to you. So now if it's breaking down, enter short. Even our other indicator, let's see it. That one here, I show you the divergence in it, guys. Look at it. You see it or no? Look here, what you seeing? You got a divergence, guys. So now the price action is that one. Just came down here and it drawing a trend line. If it's breaking down here, the candle open in the top and close below, you enter short. Stop loss, you put a top here in that place. Because it might going to go down till here, guys. Or we don't know till where exactly. So be careful. Now is the right time to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.